Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we check that who shared our post on Facebook. So let's open your browser first, any browser that you use in your Android phone. I am using the Chrome browser. You have to open a new tab and search there facebook.com. You must not open the Facebook direct. You have to open this Facebook account by using the Chrome browser or any browser that you choose. Then you have to click on the three lines here. You will find here your own profile. Just click on it. You have to click on the three dots or this type of the arrow here and then click on the desktop site. Okay, now you have to scroll down and check the post where you want to search that who has shared your post. Like I want to check who has shared my post, this one. As you can see that here is one share of my post. You have to click on it and you will find here that who has shared your post. So that's all for today video. I hope you all like this video. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question related to this topic, you can leave a comment. Thanks for watching.